Hello, good morning everyone. It's my birthday. Okay, I think I have said it 10 times in this vlog, but I will stop saying it. So I will get ready today and show you guys how I am getting ready for my birthday. It should be two looks, like a day look and a night look. So I've taken a shower. Now I think I will get ready, do everything in front of you, what I'm wearing, how I'm doing the makeup, everything. So it will be like a get ready with me, the day and the night look for my birthday. Alright, so I'm just gonna place you guys here. So guys, I'm starting with the makeup. Moisturizer. So for the morning, I'm planning to wear shorts because I think it will be comfortable. And for the night, I have a pink dress, so I think I'll be wearing that. So I'm applying Kiko's concealer. So guys, for foundation, I am using the full coverage of Kiko Milano again. Should I like elevate you guys here? Yeah. Let me just change the tripod. Guys, I'm using Maybelline's concealer. So guys, I will be using Inglot's compact. For the eyebrows, I am using the Benefit pencil. For the eyeshadows, I will be using the recent gift that I have got from Tanveer, the Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette. So this is the one that I will be using. So in this, I will be using the shade Eden on the outer corners of my eyes. Then I will be using this one. Then I think I shall use, so this is the one I'm using. It is in the glitter and it is retrograde. So I'm using this one on the inner corners. Just gonna clean the extra bit. Now I'm just gonna highlight my eyebrow bones. Let me tell you honestly, I am loving the eyeshadow palette Tanveer. So apply the eyeliner now. This is by Color Bar. I have to go really close to the mirror, so there's a possibility that you won't be able to see me. Done. Now I will put the white pencil in my waterline. I'm just gonna take the Eden and the Oud, if that's how it is pronounced, and put it under my eyes. Now I will take this glitter by MIP and put it on my inner corners. On my regular day makeup, I won't do this much. Just because it's my birthday, I want to do extra bling bling. Now I will apply the contour. This is the palette that I'll be using for the contour and the blush. This is by H&M, not available in India. I think in this light you're not really able to see what kind of makeup is being done on me. Highlighter again. gonna put this mascara. This is by Maybelline. Just let me show you what I'm wearing. I think I'm gonna wear these shorts with I think the white top. This will look nice. Let me just wear my clothes and then I'll show you the jewelry that I'll be wearing. My birthday gift. बहुत फेक लग रही है. So guys, it is a jumpsuit.
Yes.
Thank you, Eddie. So I'm wearing this jumpsuit now. The plan has been changed. So this is what I will be wearing. And I think it will look really pretty. Let me just wear this and then I'll get back to you with the earrings. Or should I just show you first? Yeah, let me show you everything what I'm wearing. Then I'll give you the final look in the end. So with this, let's see what we can wear. Let me take you to the earring section. So I have all my jewelry laid down here. So I think it's all a mess. But with that, I think I should wear these flowers. So I think I'll wear these flowers. Let's see if it look nice because I don't want to do too much. I want to keep it minimal. I think I'll also pair this dented neck piece, but we'll see. So these two for now. So guys, I'm wearing the dress. I'll show you in a bit. So let's just wear these earrings. I think these earrings would look apt with the dress. Let's see if the neck piece would look nice. Let me just bring the neck piece. Guys, do you think I should wear this? Because I think it's looking a little extra. Maybe it is. I know I'm the birthday girl, but still I feel that this is looking like a little extra. And the bare neck is looking much nicer. Just gonna wear a ring. A good one. Ah, lipstick. What lipstick should we put? Should I go for the nude shade or this? I'm going for the breakfast, so for the breakfast let's go for the nude shade, and if I think it is looking good for the day and the photos would be nice enough, then I will not change my lipstick. Otherwise I will go for a rust one. So let me just get ready, wear my shoes, and I'll show you the whole look. And the ring, this is the ring I want to wear.
So wear at night is looking nice.
Yeah, this is looking nice, so I'm gonna wear this ring. So this is what I'm wearing. That's the final outlook. And after the breakfast, if I feel that I need to change my lip color, then I would. But we'll see how the photographs would come. So this is the footwear that I am wearing. So these are the comfortable footwear, but I think this outfit would look a bomb with heels. But we are going to the fort, so I really don't prefer wearing heels, so I would not. Now let's wait for the night look. Let me just come back from the day and I'll get ready for the dinner and then I'll show you what I'm wearing. Alright guys, I am back. I'm back to the hotel. I slept. So now what I'm doing is I will be getting ready for the evening. So I have like freshen up and my face is all clean. So I was there on the beach for some time. I came back. Now I'll be getting ready for the evening, for the dinner, for the birthday dinner. So before I start, let me just quickly change because I don't want to spoil this top. Moisturizer. Then I will use the pore primer by Benefit. Equinox foundation. Oh, I forgot to put the concealer. But I'll put it. I'll multitask. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sunita. Happy birthday to you. Concealer. We're applying the concealer. I have to change the color. I don't know. Benefit eyebrows. I think using it once and I got so obsessed. So now I am planning to use the amber.
Okay, they have the names.
They have the names and really beautiful ones. Now I am using Eden. Then I am planning to use Nefertiti. It's Nefertiti. Here on my inner corners, I am planning to do the amethyst, the one in purple. Let's just remove the extras. Let me give some shape. Blush, blush, blush. I think with that dress, it will be red lips. Perfect birthday red lips. You see that? Wow. Just gonna apply the black eyeliner. Go really close to the mirror. White or the black? I think I'll go with the white. So guys, I am wearing the dress and the dress looks so pretty. So I'm going to show you the whole thing later. Let me just do the hair. I think I'll be doing a donut bun here. Not planning to open it. And the back is so pretty. So let me just do the donut bun. So guys, the pony is ready. I think even the pony looks really hot with the dress. But I will be doing the donut bun.
Sure.
So this is the bun. Yeah, I think so. तू बता.
Pony smart लग रही है उसमें.
हाँ, pony मुझे भी अच्छी लग रही है. Guys, I think I'll just go with the pony because a high pony I think is looking really hot. I'm just gonna, get rid of all this baby hair and push it back and clip it. And I think I'm done with the hair. Just do the jewelry and the lipstick. Be right back. So guys, I'm ready. Let's just apply the lipstick quickly. Let me just bring the earrings. I'll just take you out. It's been really long that you guys were in the washroom. For earrings, I'm gonna wear these ones. Or should I wear these ones, baby? Guys, I want to wear this. Or should I wear this? I'm really confused because I'm the birthday girl, so I can wear this. So guys, I am done. So these are the earrings. This is the pretty dress. Let me show you in the closer mirror. These are the earrings and I think these look really fab. Let me just apply the perfume. So guys, I'm ready. Let me just give you an overview how I'm really looking like. So guys, this is the makeup that I've done. These are the pretty earrings. So hi pony. Let me just show you the dress now. Wearing a black classic heel like I told in my video. Let me just take a twirl so that you can see the whole dress. That's the dress. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys have had fun watching it, and if you did, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe. And also, if you guys want to know that what I did on my birthday and how really I celebrated my birthday and what did I really do in Goa, relaxed mostly. But yeah, exactly, if you want to see the vlog, you guys need to wait because I'll be uploading maybe next week or maybe the week next to that. I'll let you know, but stay updated. And for that, just press that bell icon next to the subscribe button. I'll see you next time then. Okay, bye.